Fuego, Old Town, Rhodes.
If you cannot fight your opponent yourself, you are not fit to be our leader. You cannot fight your opponent yourself. How unfortunate. If you cannot fight your opponent yourself, you are not fit to be our leader.
So we're still in Old Town, just going through the old castle, just having a little wander basically before we go home. Bit of street music, busking. No, just in the moment. Basking for the love of music. Oh, so yeah, it goes all the way around there.
I tried to help her for the apartment there.
But it is coming up for 1 o'clock, so a little bit later on in the evening, so 1 a.m. All your seashells. The Ariel for the day, Little Mermaid. Got your dream catchers coming up.
Yeah.
You want to be in a vlog?
You're on the vlog, yeah.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Hello vlog. I'm Eli. Me Nadav. Where are you from?
I'm from England. Where are you from?
I'm from Israel. I'm from Israel.
Israel. Oh,
Yes,
lovely, lovely.
yes.
Yeah. So what are you doing here? You on holiday?
No, vacation. with
Vacation, yeah?
friends, yeah.
Ah, lovely.
Vacation. Wait, you have a channel?
Yeah.
You can say my name?
Yeah, I think Wagwan tours.
Wait. Hey, it stopped.
No, it's the same.
No.
The red is on.
Oh.
Yeah, it stays
Hi
on.
guys. Girls, call me. Nadav. You are a loco man. Loco. Can we
Rapid.
do a photo?
Photo, yeah, go on,
Yes,
go on.
Photo to the vlog.
No, I'm the wrong way around.
Okay, let me. You, we ready?
Yeah.
Yes! Thank you very
Congrats,
much, man.
Lovely to meet you, yeah?
Thank you.
Lovely to meet you, yeah?
Yeah, bye.
See you, boys.